During the divorce process, there are some common mistakes that people make early on in the process, and I will tell you, most important and most frequent that I see is a manipulation or concealment of assets. People will not be candid with us, don't disclose all of the information, and their attempt is to either move the assets or hide the assets from the process. Generally, that does not work. Another mistake that people make during the process is they take attacks on the other person in social media, which ultimately may be presented to the court. A lot of times we're getting interceptions of emails during the process and viewing information they should not be privy to. They are tracking each other. They are placing recording devices, thinking that those recordings could be used against the other party. They are not admissible, and ultimately they are sanctionable. The last thing that I would say is most common is people attempting to negotiate their own cases in their home or with the other party, which we encourage. However, there are times that people make statements that suggest that they're going to waive interest in certain assets and ultimately don't agree to those things, or they're going to provide the other one with something that they may not necessarily be entitled to. Later down the road, they say, I'm not going to agree to it, but they've created an expectation on the other side of the case. So I caution people not to be negotiating numbers if they're in a contested situation without conferring with their attorney. There are many, many more common mistakes that I see in 36 years of litigating and not litigating divorce cases. If you have any questions, concerns, or you need any guidance, feel free to contact Monarch Family Law for a free consultation.